Start. ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Any doubt in the sutras, what we have seen before?
No, ji.
No, sir.
I hope understand Oma Goscha, Eti Edati Utsu, about which we discussed.
Yeah.
Purva Pavada Uttaran Anantram Anantran Uttaran Anantram Badayati Sutram Badayati. Now Uttaran, all those paribhasha also we saw. And here in this Vartikam, I think we didn't see. And Vartik we didn't see means we didn't revise. Under the Sutram, Yengi Pararupam, there's a Vartikam. 6194, there's a Vartikam. We didn't revise, we have seen, all these things we have seen. Shakandvadishu Pararupam Vachyam. Potvashtayogo Samaseva. These two Vartikams are there. What does it say? Shakandvadishu Pararupam Vachyam. Shakandvadishu iti yukte kim?
That is the Vyakarana.
Vyakarana.
No, Shakandvadi is not Vyakarana. Not a Vyakarana.
Gana, sorry, Sakandvadi Gana. Yeah.
Shakandu iti Ganasya nama. Shakandu. Shakandu Shak. Ganapataha asti. Shakandu iti Ganaha asti. Tasmin Gane Pratama Padam or Shabda Shakandu iti. Shakandvadishu Vartamanayam Vartamananam Padanam api Pararupam eva Pararupakare neva bhavati. Shakandu, Patanjali, some words are there. The Shakandu Gana. So that Gana begins with Shakandu, the word. Tasya Ganasya Pratama Shabdaha Shakandu. अतः शकन्द्वादि शकन्दु आदिः येषां ते शकन्द्वादि बहुव्रीहि समासः शकन्दुः आदिः येषां गणानां शकन्द्वादि गणः. So Shakandu is the first letter of the group of words in the Gana. Therefore, it is called Shakandu. Shakandu Gana Shakandvadishu api Pararupam Vachyam. ये शब्दाः वर्तन्ते अस्मिन् गणे तस्य तेषामपि पररूपमेव भवति. Example, you take the very first word itself, Shakandu. Shaka plus Andu. Shaka plus Andu. What's Andi? Shaka plus Andu would be
Dirgha will come, but now it is Pararupam.
Pararupam. Shaka plus Andu, Shakandu bhavati. No, it is Pararupam. Pararupam is Para Varnasya Adesha bhavati Purva Paryoga Sthane. Shaka plus Andu will be Shakandu Andu, not Shakandu. You see the Sandhi chart? Please see the Sandhi chart. To the words belonging to the Shakandvadi Gana, both the preceding T, that is you have to note, okay. Preceding T, what is T? Achontyadi T. What is T? T is a, what is T?
Varna starting from the last touch.
Is a Kritrama Sanya or Akritrama Sanya? Kritrama Sanya. Kritrama Sanya is artificial name.
Ah,
It's not a natural name. Guna, Vriddhi, all these are natural names, right?
yeah.
He is not something, he means something he wants to give, some name he wants to give. The Varna starting with the last touch. It has called it a T. T Sanya, Gu Sanya, G Sanya. These Sanyas are there. They are all Kritrama. Kritrama is that which are created, artificial, not natural. Guna, Vriddhi, all are, the words are there. Guna Sanya, Vriddhi Sanya, Sangita, Sanya, all these are Akritrama. They are natural words. This is a Kritrama. Anil Maharishi just wants to use. What about it? It is Sanya. It's a Kritrama or Akritrama?
Which one? Sorry, I didn't.
It Sanya. Word it. Is it Kritrama or Akritrama? You can say it is Kritrama, but Akritrama also it is. You can derive the, you can give the Vyutpatti. Yeti apagacchati iti it. Yeti apagacchati. That which goes, that which becomes lopa is called it. Yeti is from the Indata only you get the word. It. Yeti apagacchati iti it bhavati. So Panini Maharishi right, aptly named it as a it sanya. Yeti, it goes, it comes. In Gatau, it goes away, it disappears. That is why it's called it. That which disappears. Tasya lopaha, along with that sutra, if you take it is it. But ita alone, if you take it is doesn't have that meaning. Okay. Along with the tasya lopaha only, that it you can give the vitpatti. Yeti apagacchati. You can say that's it. Anyway, so these are all Kritrama. So T is Kritrama. So the group of Varnas starting from the last touch, Achontyadi T, that we have seen the sutra, right?
Yeah.
Antya Achaha Adi. Adi means not beginning, etc. To the end. Antya Achaha we have said, then we cannot say Adi means beginning, we cannot say, right? Antya Achaha starting from the last touch, Adi. Adi means etc. To the etc. means to the end. Antya Achaha Adihi. The leftover, the rest. Starting from the last touch up to the, starting from the last touch to the, and the rest of it. That's why we said to the end. It's called a T. Okay, anyway. So T, the group of Varnas starting with the last touch to the end, that's called T. And the succeeding H, both will be replaced by what? Pararupam. So that is what Shakandvadi. Pararupam Vacham. So here you have to note the T. The word T is very important. And that's because The T of the preceding will replace both the preceding as well as the succeeding. So T, when we say, the last letter need not be a vowel, it could be a consonant also. Like in the example, you take Patanjali or Manas plus Isha. Manas plus Isha, what is a T letter? As is a T letter. Manas plus Isha, really, if you do Sandhi, if this Gana is not there, then become Manasisha, it will become. But this word is put under the Gana, Shakandvadi Gana, where a Padarupam is there. Therefore, the T letter of the first Padam, first word, the first Shabda, which is us, and the first letter of the following, Puraparayo Hostane, Kim Adesha Bhavati, Padarupam Adesha Bhavati. Padarupa is E. So E will replace both us and E. So us will go away. So Man plus E become Mani, Manisha iti Rupam. Right? Similarly, Patanjali. Patanjali, the word you can note, it occurs in this Shakandvadi Gana. So Shakandu, Kakandu, all these words. Okay. Now, tell me, what is the purpose of putting them in Gana? To say in Shakandvadi, Pararupam Vachyam. All these are, if you don't apply this Pararupa, it will end up in different Sandhi, right? It will end up in different Sandhi. Or you will not get even Sandhi, just you may do a simple addition. Therefore, instead of giving a rule for each word, Panini Maharishi intelligently created a group and put all the words in the group. So, therefore, if you see the word violating the rules, violating the sutras, if you see the word violating the sutras, you refer the group. In the group, it will be there. In the group, it says it is Pararupam. In the group, you will see the Pararupam being applied. So, instead of writing each sutra for each word, you just put all this in one group and say it comes under Pararupa Sandhi. Simple. The job is done. That's how you get Alpaksharatvam, Sutratvam. Otherwise, you have to write sutra for each word. That is too much, right? Sutras are only for the common rules, common niyama, common rules. All these are not common. So that which are not common, uncommon, put them in a group and say this will have the Pararupam Adesha, Pararupa Adesha. Then that is another beautiful, intelligent thing what is being done. And this Vartikakara says this. Panini Maharishi doesn't say, Vartikakara says, Shakandvadishu Pararupam Vachyam iti. Panini Maharishi just says, Yengi Pararupam. Then Vartikakara says, no, you have to tell Shakandvadi also Pararupam iti. Therefore, you can note this. And one more Vartikam is there. Otvoshtayogo Samaseva. This already we have seen. Now, if you see the beginning, if you remember long back in the beginning when we are chanting this Shiksha Sutrani, there we saw Odautoho Kanta Oshtam. Kanta plus Oshtam, what Sandhi?
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi.
So Vriddhi Sandhi, what will be the form? Kanta plus Oshtam.
Kantaushtam.
Kantaushtam, right?
Yeah, Kantaushtam.
Kantoshtam also correct.
Hmm.
Why? Because this is a samasa. In the samasa, if Oshta, the word, is a parapadam, then Pararupam Vachyam. That is what the next Vartika says. Otvoshtayogo. Next Vartika, if you see, Otvoshtayogo Samase Va. In Samasa, what is Va? The Pararupam is optional. Kanta Oshta is a Samasa or not? Otto, Otto.
Dvandva samasa.
Kantascha,
Oshtascha.
Kanta, Oshta, both are there, right? So it is Dvandva, it is Dvandva Samasa. Kanta, Oshtam, Samahara Dvandva, that's it. If it is Dvandva, what will happen? Ramascha, Lakshmanascha will become Rama Lakshmanau, right? Rama Lakshmanau. Kantascha, Oshtascha, Kantoshtau, it has to be, or Kantoshte, Oshta is Tapumsakalinga if you take. But Kantoshtam, it is a Samahara Dvandva. Both are made into a single one. Then that was Ekavachana. Kantoshtam. So it is Samasa. So anyway, that is Samasa we know, right? So in Samasa, Va is, the Va is not Vartika, Va is optional. In Samasa, we have the optionality. What optionality? That this Votvashta Yogo Samaseva is a Vartikam. The Vartikam Va means optional. Samasa, it is optional. What is optional? Otva Oshtayogo Padayogo Parayogo Sati. If Otva, the word Otu, Otva is Otu. Oshta is another word. Otu and Oshta, two words are mentioned here. If Oshta is the following word, it means Oshta follows. Follows what? Otu Shabda, Oshta Shabda follows Avarna. Follows Avarna, follows Akara or Akara, Avarna. Then what happens? Then both the preceding and the following word begins with O. So both the preceding and the following will be replaced by Pararupam. Pararupam is O. In a Samasa, optionally. So therefore, Danta plus Oshtam can be Dantoshtam or Dantoshtam. If you do Dantoshtam, it is Vriddhi. If you do Pararupa, it is Danta plus Oshta is not Guna Sandhi, it is Pararupa Sandhi here. A plus O, what will happen generally? What's Sandhi A plus O?
Vriddhi will happen.
A plus O, Vriddhi will happen. Vriddhi has happened. And here, Danta plus Oshtam is there. O is there. Here it is not, when you split, it is not Danta plus Ishtam. It is Danta plus Oshtam. It is not Guna Sandhi. Here O it has come because of Pararupam. Right?
Yes,
So this we can note. These two Vartikas are there. In the Sutra Pata itself, these two Vartikas are there, which I forgot to mention the last class. You can see the Sutra Pata. Yengi Pararupam, Shakandvadishu Pararupam, it is there in the Sutra Pata. With Otvashta Yogo, Samaseva not there, that also you can add. And since we chant that in the Shiksha Sutram, therefore it is very much relevant. Otu Shabda and Oshta Shabda. That's what Otoshta Yogo, Parayogo, Samase, Samasa Vishaye. Va is Pararupam Vikalpena Bhavati. Pararupam na Bhavati Chet,
Vriddhi.
Bhavati. Because O follows, therefore Avarnath, Echi Pare, Kim Bhavati, Vridyadesha Bhavati. Right?
Yes.
So you can note this. Now here, I think Avarna means A also, but I don't see any example for A. It is just because this Avarna is Ad Gunaha, that Ad comes. So just you can say Avarna. Both the preceding letter A and the following letter O. I don't know why I wrote this. The preceding letter A. A means Avarna means it can bring Akara also. I think so. Examples we don't see. Anyway, this is one thing. And some more Vartikams are there.
Yeah, Eve Chaneo Pararupam Vaktavyam.
Huh?
Eve Chanyoge Pararupam Vaktavyam, we have seen before.
What is that? Pararupam, where it is?
Eve Chanyoge, not in the charging, but when we studied, I have written in the notes.
What's it say again? That evecha.
एवे चान्योगे पररूपं वक्तव्यम्. Eva shabda when not used in the meaning of avaranartham, then it is pararupa.
एवे चान्योगो पररूपं वक्तव्यम् यमन्नादिषु छन्दसि पररूपं वक्तव्यम्
Oh, I think all those things are there here. Yeah, evechani yoge, then yamannadishu chandasi vingi pararup. It is there in the website. It is there.
Okay.
Okay, one is evecha aniyoge.
Hmm.
Okay, here you can see in the website. Shakandvadishu tachattehe.
Screen hasn't changed.
Huh?
Have you changed the screen? No. Wait.
Sharing the screen now. Shakandvadishu pararupam vachyam tachattehe, which we saw. We can see Shakandvadihi iti asmin gane vidyamananam shabdanam siddhau पूर्वपदस्य टी संज्ञकस्य उत्तरपदस्य आदिस्वरेण सह पररूपः एकादेशः विधीयते इति अस्य वार्तिकस्य अर्थः। शकन्द्वादिगणे विद्यमानाः शब्दाः संसिद्धिम् अधः प्रदर्शिताः सन्ति। शकन्दु अयं शब्दः शकस्य अन्धुः इति षष्ठी समासं कृत्वा सिद्ध्यति। शक इति कस्यचन देशस्य नाम। ओके, शक इज द नेम ऑफ द कंट्री। अंधुः इत्युक्ते कूपः, कूपः वेल्। शक प्लस अंधुः इत्यत्र पूर्वपदस्य टी संज्ञकस्य अकारस्य उत्तरपदस्य आदिस्वरेण अकारेण सह पररूप एकादेशं कृत्वा अकारः सिद्ध्यति। शक प्लस अंधुः शकन्दुः। So shakasya anduhu, the kupa of a country. That's called shakanduhu. Similarly, karkanduhu. Karkasya anduhu, karkanduhu, shashti samasam krutva siddhyati. Karka iti kasya chana deshasya nama. Karka desha. Anduhu iti yukti kupaha. So therefore, ti sangyakasya akarasya uttarapadasya adiswarena saga pararupa ekadesham krutva akaraga siddhyati. Similarly, other examples are given. Kulata. Ayam shabdaha kulan atati iti asmin arte kula upapadhat at dhatoho ach pratyayam krutva siddhyati. How the word kulata comes, it says kula is the upapada. Kulan atati iti kulata. Atati, it is a upapada samasa. Okay. Like kumbam karoti kumbakaraha. Similarly, kulan atati. Kula is the karma. So kula plus at dhatu, which that ikrit pratyaya ach is added. Therefore, kulata, you get kulata, Strilinga, I think. Veshya iti asya shabdasya arthaha. Oh, kulata is the name, the meaning is Veshya. Prakriyayam kula plus ata iti sthite पूर्व पदस्य टी संज्ञकस्य अकारस्य परपदस्य उत्तरपदस्य आदिस्वर, that is akara, akaरेण सह पररूप एकादेशं कृत्वा अकारः सिद्ध्यति. Therefore kulata, you get kula plus ta, kulata, Strilinga. Why? Because the meaning is Veshya. That's why it's Veshya. Kulata, Strilinga. All these are Shakandvadi, the words. Simantaha, another word. Simnaha antaha simantaha. This is also Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Siman iti yukte keshavashaha. Keshana madhye upastitaha resha ityartaha. What is Siman, you know? What is Siman?
Agud.
Agud. Agud is called. Keshana madhye upastitaha resha. So that's called Siman. Atyaha antaha, the end point of that. Simantaha iti namna jnayate. Simanta is not Simanta Varagap, not Simanta yet. Siman is the Vagadu. Prakriyayam Siman Shabdasya T Sangyakasya, that An Shabdasya, Akarena Saha, Para Rupa Ekadesham Krutva, Akaraha, Jayate. Therefore, Siman plus Antaha, Simantaha. End of the Vagadu. That Keshanam Madhye Resha, that was the Resha. Similarly, Manisha, Manasah Ishte iti Manisha Panchakam, Manasah Ishte iti Manisha, Manasah Isha, Isha is Gamanam, iti Shashti Shamasam Krutva, Icha Buddhihi Chintanamiti Asya Shabdasya Arthaha. Actually, Manisha Panchakam, there we use in the sense of Buddhi. Manisha Panchakam. The word Manasah Ishte iti Manisha, the desire. Or you can take the Buddhi. Manisha Panchakam, the Buddhi is the word meaning we take. So here Manas Shabda, where das is a T Sanyaka, that T Sanyaka as Isha Shabdasya Ikarena Saga Pararupa Ekadesham Krutva Nisha iti Rupam Siddhyati. Similarly, Halisha, Halasya Isha, Agraha iti Shashti Samasam. Halasya, Hala is a plow. Krishi Valaha, Halaha we say, Halaha iti Asya Shabdasya Arthaha. The handle of the plow. The Agra is that which is the Agra is the beginning. So Alasya Isha, Alisha. Al Shabdasya T Sanyakasya Akarasya Isha Shabdasya Ikaranasaka Pararupa Deshakrutva Ikaraha Jayate. Therefore Lisha. Similarly, Langalisha. Langalisha also Langalasya Isha Langalisha. It's also same meaning as Alisha only. Handle of a plow. Patanjali, the name of the Rishi. Patan Anjalihi Namasyataya Yasmin iti Bahubrigi Samasam Krutva Mahabhashyasya Rachayituhu idam nama. Name of the Mahabhashyakara Patanjali. Patan Anjalihi Namasyataya Yasmin. The word is Bahubrigi Samasam. All these are Bahubrigis, also Samasa. Similarly, Saranga. Sarani Angani. Spotted organs. Yasya Saha. It's also Bahuri Samasa. Saraha Angaha Yasya Saha. Tasya Pakshinaha idam nama. Saranga Pakshi. So there also Sara plus Anga will become Sarangaha, not Sarangaha, Sarangaha. So the Shakandvadi Ganaha, Akriti Ganaha Asti. Akriti is open Gana. Open Gana means some Ganas are closed. Closed means the words are listed in the group. Only those words, for those words only the rules apply. Whereas Shakandvadi Gana is open-ended. Open-ended means the words which you may not find here. Those words also may have got a Pararupa. How do you know that? By Shishta Prayoga. There may be some words which the Shishta Purusha would have used, in which the Yengi Pararupam, that Pararupa Sandhi would have applied. Those words may not have been in this Shakandvadikana, but you can include because these Shishta Purushas have used those words. So therefore, it can be included in this Gana. So it can be added. That is what the meaning is. So Panini Maharishi had made this Gana open, because later the Shishta Purusha, those who came later are those who was there before. All the words are not listed here. So those words which are not listed here, but the Shishta Purushas have used, those words also can be considered here. So because it is Akriti Gana doesn't mean that we can apply, we can add other words. No, we are not Shishta Purusha. This is only for the Shishta Prayoga, Shishta Purusha. Shishta Prayogaihi Anyegi Shabdaha api Asmin Gane Bhavitum Arhanti. Yata Mritam Andam Yasya Ityatra Bhagubrigi Samase Krute get Mritandaha. Mritandaha, the word is used maybe by some Shishta Purusha. There, Mrita plus Andaha, not Mritandaha, Mritandaha only. So that, where do you put this? Since this is an Akriti Gana, open-ended, therefore you can put this under this Gana. Iti Saritaha Mritanda Shabdaha api Asmin Gane Svikriyate. Even though the word Mritandaha is not read in the Shakandvadi Gana, but it is used by some Shishta Purusha, therefore it can also be considered to be belonging to Shakandvadi Gana. That is the idea. Okay, this is Akriti Gana. All these are little more information about the Gana. So wherever you Akriti Gana is mentioned, understand that it is open-ended. That some groups are closed. It means only those words are allowed. Other words are not allowed. Akriti is open-ended. Eva cha niyoge pararupam vaktavyam. Niyoga means avadharanam. Nischayah. सामान्य रूपेण वाक्ये एव शब्दस्य प्रयोगः नियोगार्थे एव भवति अवधारणं ascertain the sense of ascertaining we use the word eva गणेशः मोदकमेव खादति he eats only मोदक इत्युक्ते मोदकं विना गणेशः किमपि न खादति सः निश्चयेन मोदकमेव खादति निश्चयार्था is there in niyoga परन्तु कुत्रचित् नियोग भिन्नार्थे अपि एव शब्दस्य प्रयोगः कृतः दृश्यते. The word eva, it's also used in places other than nishchayartha, niyoga bhinnarthe api. In those places, eteshu staleshu purva padasya antima swarena saha eva shabdasya ekarasya pararupa ekadesha, that is ekaraha adesha bhavati. Example, kwa plus eva. Kveva, it becomes kvaiva. But it is kveva only. Here evakara is not in the nischayartha, niyogartha. So therefore kutrachit niyoga bhinnarthe api eva shabdasya prayoga krutah, that niyoga bhinnarthe prayujyamana shabdasya evakarasya, that eva, the eva shabdasya eva, this pararupam is applied. Please note. Here eva is given a eva, if eva is a parapada and which is in the niyogartha, then pararupam bhavat. Okay. Not in other places. Sa plus eva, what's sandhi? Sa plus eva.
Right.
There it is vriddhi sandhi only. We cannot apply pararupa. Saiva, right? Taya plus eva, tayaiva. There you cannot apply pararupa because there it is avadharanam. Here we are talking about anavadharanam, that is anischaya, niyoga bhinnarthe. Eva shabdasya prayogam bhavati chet. Then if eva shabda is parashabda, then pararupam adesha bhavati purvaparyogasthane. That is what eva cha aniyoge pararupam bhaktavayam. Then votoshta yogo samaseva pararupam we saw just now. Votu is marjaraha. Marjaraha meaning it's a marjaraha artha. Oshta is, we know, these two shabdas. If these two shabdas are the uttarapadam, then kim bhavati para rupa adesha bhavati. Samasta padasya uttarapadam, that's very important. Samasta padam, samasa is important. Only in samasa this is applicable. Not in other places. Asamasa vishaye pararupam na bhavati. Samasa vishaye eva vikalpena, that too vikalpena bhavati. Vikalpena pararupa adesha bhavati. Samasta padasya uttarapadam otu अथवा ओष्ट एताभ्यां कश्चन शब्दः अस्ति तर्हि तस्य समस्तपदस्य निर्माणं विकल्पेन पररूप एकादेशं कृत्वा भवति. समस्तपदं न विद्यते चेत् एतस्य वार्तिकं नैव प्रवर्तते. It's very clear. If it is not समस्तपदं, then you don't apply this vartika at all. Then what you will apply? Then you apply vriddhi sandhi only. Tava plus oshtaha. Tava is one word. Oshta is also samasa between them. Therefore, vriddhi sandhi you apply. Vriddhi eva bhavati. Right? Then, last one. Yemannadishu chandasi pararupam bhaktavim. All these are not important, just for the sake of covering. Already we have covered. Yeman, Odvan, Ishti, Etesham, Shabdanam Vishaye, Vedeshu Pararupam. This is Chandasi. That is why Chandasi, the Vedeshu, Veda Vishayeshu. So Chandasi, the word is there. Twa Aman, Tveman. So all these are A plus A. A plus A become I, but here Tveman. ऋग्वेदस्य प्रथममण्डलस्य 65तमे सूक्ते तृतीये मन्त्रे परिशिष्टि इत्यस्य प्रयोगः दृश्यते. परि प्लस इष्टि परिष्टि. You can note this Chandasi Vishaye. These are the some of the Vartika under this, and there are some more Vartikas are there which under Vriddhi Sandhi. For Vartika, that also you can note. Among those Vartika, the first one is important. Why it is important? Because Akshohini, the word is used, which we come across in Gita. Akshohini, Akshat Ojinyam Upasankyanam. Can you hear me? It's like
Yes, Ji. Yeah.
Yes.
some internet message came. It's unstable. So this under Vriddhi Sandhi, we have seen this. Just Vriddhi Sandhi. When Aksha Shabda is followed by Ugini Shabda. So Aksha, Akshat, Panchami, Ugini, Upasankyanam. Ugini follows Aksha. Then Purva Parayavasthane, Kim Bhavati Aksha plus Ugini, A plus U will become Guna is supposed to happen, but it will not happen. Vriddhi will happen. So Apavada to Gunasandhi. This Panini Maharshi has not mentioned, therefore Vartikakara says the word Akshogini is there. For that, you have to mention this. He says Aksha plus Ugini, Akshogini. Apavada to Gunasandhi. Similarly, the word other words are there. Swadire Rinoho, Vartika is there. Swashabda, Swat, Panchami. Swat is Panchami, followed by Ir or Iri, Irin. Then Purva Parayavasthane, Vriddhi Hadesha Bhavati, Svairaha, Svairin, Svairini iti. Similarly, Pradu, Prat. Pra is Upasarga. So Prat. Uha, Uda, Udi, then Yesha, Esha. The Tra Upasarga is followed by these words, then also Vriddhi will happen. This is another Vartika. Praugaha, Praudaha, Preshaha iti. Then Pravatsara, Kambala, Vasana, Vasana, Dashar, Nam, Andrune. Dashanam, Rune, not Andrune. Dashanam, Rune. So Rune is a word, but Saptami Vibhakti. So when Rina, the word follows these words, Pravatsara, etc. Pravatsara, Kambala, Vasana, Dasha, Rina. Rina is followed by Rina. Then Vriddhi will happen. Pra plus Rinam, Prarnam. Guna supposed to happen, but Vriddhi will happen. Similarly, Vatsara, Arnam, Kambala, Arnam. Then the next one, Ritecha Tritiye Samase. This is also Vavartika. In Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa, Avarnanta Purva Shabda followed by Rite. Rite is Saptami Vibhakti. Saptami means that follows. The Rita Shabda follows Avarnanta Purva Shabda. Then what happens? In Tritiya Samasa, Vriddhi Bhavati. Sukha plus Artaha, Sukha plus Ritaha, Sukartaha. Sukena Ritaha. Only in Tritiya Tatpurusha, not in other Tatpurusha. Suppose if it is Shashti and all, it will not happen. Only when the Samasa is Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa, then only this will happen. A counter example is given. Karmadare Samasa. Paramascha asau Rutaha. Paramascha asau Rutaha. Paramartaha. Here what happened? Not Paramartaha. It is Paramartha. It is Vitireka Udaranam. Parama plus Ritaha is Karmadare Samasa. If it is Karmadare Samasa, then Guna only will happen. So this is Vitireka Udaranam. Anvaya Udaranam is Sukha plus Ritaha, Sukhartaha. There Vriddhi has happened. Here it is Guna has happened. Parama plus Artaha. So these are some of the Vartikas which We forgot to see the last class. Any doubt in this?
No, Ji.
No, sir.
Okay, now. Chogokuhu, Hodaha, Dhadir, Dhato, Gaha, Vadruha, Mahashnagashnigam, Nakodaha. Last sutra was Nakodaha. So this 8 to section is very important. Starting from 8 to 30. When you see this 8 to section, that Tripadi section, remember this sutra in this order. It's very important. So you have to, we'll be using these sutras very frequently. So starting from Chogokuhu. In fact, the sutras even before that also. Even before that also, you can see starting from 8 to 23 onwards, Sayogantasya Lopaha, Ratsasya, Dhicha, all those things we will see. When we see in Tinganta, we will use all these things. Jalo Jali, Rasvatangat, Itaha Iti, then Skogo Sanyoga Dyogo Antecha. All these are important sutras. Chogokuhu, Hodaha. Now we are interested only in this sutra. Those sutras, preceding sutras, we will see, the context will come. Vadruha Mugashnugashnigam, Nahodaha, then Agastaha. Agastaha, that also we will see later. Agastaha, in Tinganta we will see that. Prascha, Brasya, Srija, Mrija, Yaja, Raja, Braja, Cha, Shakshaha. Here, Brascha Dhatu is Chakara, Chakaranta Dhatu. Brascha, Srija, Mrija, Yaja, Raja, Braja, all these are Chakaranta Dhatu. They are also Chavarga letter one. So instead of applying Chogokuhu, you apply Shaktam. That is what this sutra. Therefore, these words are all Apavada to 8 to 30. So 8 to 36 is partial Apavada. It's partial Apavada. Why is it partial? Because Cha is there. Cha also. In fact, we can say it is Apavada. It's complete Apavada. Apavada to Chogokuhu. 8 to 36 is Apavada to 8 to 30. Chakaranta Dhatu and also Shakaranta Dhatu will be, when followed at the end of the Padam are followed by Jal, will be replaced by Murdhanya Shakara. That was Vrascha, Vrascha, Srija, Mrija, Raja, Raja, Braja, Cha. Cha is Chakaranta, like Prachdhatu, Vichdhatu, many dhatus are there. Similarly, Shakaranta Dhatu, Vishdhatu, those dhatus are all there. So, when followed by Jal or at the end of the Padam will become Shakara. So, this 8 to 36. Remember, 8 to 36 is Apavada to 8 to 30. Then the Vartika is Paro Vrajeke Shaha Padante. This also we saw. What Shabda?
Not.
Remember? We saw in the Shabda. What does it say? Paro Vrajeke Shaha Padante. Vartika here.
I don't remember you have seen this.
Huh? You're not seeing?
No, Ji, I don't.
You have seen this in this, in fact, Subanta section. In fact, Subanta only we are saying what we are doing in division. In the Subanta, if you take, we have seen this. There we mentioned the Vartika, we derived the word. One word we derived. You have to recall that word. What is that word? Anybody? You have seen that? For one word, we have used this. We have applied this sutra and derived that word. Let me show you that. This is Halanta Shabdaha, I think. Halanta Shabdaha. Just a minute, I will show you. Have you heard, we have seen the word Parivraj, Parivrajaka, right?
Yeah, I
Oh,
don't.
that way.
Yes, there we have the Shabda, we have defined that. Now we have to find out where it is. Just a minute. It is there. Uh, which file you have to locate it? Sarantaha.
It's in ashtadhyayi.com. That word is there.
Yeah, but we have seen, we have derived, in fact, in the class. I'm just looking for that file, that Subanta file. Just a minute. Akarantaha. The name of the file, what I sent. Just a minute. शब्दाः कारकानि तन्वन्त नामक I sent you the last the file. The file, the name of the file, if you can tell me, I can find out where it is located. The Halanta Shabda. If you remember Rajan Shabda, those Shabdas and all we saw.
Yeah, yeah.
But the name of the file, Subanta file.
नकारान्तः
Akarata Ugitanta Pradipadikam. Ugitanta. Akarantaha. Halanta Shabdaha. One Shabda is that.
Kalamta Shabdaha PDF. Okay.
Apraktaya, Kalpratyaya, those things, all those things I have explained them. That it is there. There we have the Upanas, all those Shabda. The Parivraj also, it is there.
Which...
Jalamut Shabda, all those Shabda.
Yes,
Format,
the file name is Halanta Shabdaha PDF. It is there.
Alanta Shabda. Okay. Let me find out. The location of the file in my document is a bit difficult. I'm trying. Just Alanta Shabda.
I don't find Parivraja. Other things and all there. Chakaranta. Ritwaj and all those things.
Shabda. Swadhana.
Mani.
I have named it differently. Anyway. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not going to find. But anyway, this Paro Prajege Shaha Padante. Paro is this Parishabda, right? Parishabda, it is Paro Vrajege. When Pari is the Upapada, then Vrajdatu will get what? The Chakara of the Vrajdatu will take Murdanya Shakara Adesha. That is what the Sutra, that is what it says. Pari Upasargika Vrajdatoho Antyasya Varnasya Jakarasya Shakaradesha Bhavati. So Pari, then Vraj will become Vrash. And also one more thing also will happen. What happens is that Dirgattam happens for Vraj. The Vraj will have Dirgattam. So Parivraj will become Parivraj. Parivraj will become Parivraj. Vraj Dhatu taking Vipratyaya. with pari upasarga, then what will happen to vraj dhatu, the jakara? Jakara will be replaced by shakara. Parivrash will become. That way, paro vrajege shaha padante. Okay, I'm not able to find in my document this, right? Let me see that in the site itself. Paro vrajege shaha padante. One more Bhatika is not complete, because the Upada Dirgatam also will happen. That to be noted. This is an important word. This is an important word. You can see that in the Paro Vrajehe Shaha Padante, Paro Upapade. I'm reading from Lagu Siddhanta Kaumudi. Do you see it in my screen?
Yes, Jia.
Yes, sir.
Paro Upapade. Paro Upapade means Pari Upade. Okay. What is Paro? Paro is Saptami Vibhakti. Why it is Saptami that we have to see? Karmani, Tatra Saptami Stam. That we will see that 3-2 section. 3-2 section, that Upapada, that which is in Saptami is called Upapada. So Paro means Pari we have to take. We will discuss that right, in Upapada Samasa context. It will come, that we will discuss. When Pari is a Upapada, Vrajdato, Vrajege, Vrajdato. Vrajege, how we get Vrajege? What is Vrajege? How we get Vrajege? Vraj plus Ikshtipo Dhatu Nirdesha. Ik. Okay. When you add ik, what is ik?
Dhatu Nirdesha.
Dhatu Nirdesha. To convert a dhatu into a pratipadikam, we add the pratyaya ik or stip. Remember?
Yes, Jia.
Yes, yeah.
Like in Sadehe dhatoho Upanipurvasya, Sadehe dhatoho Kipradyantasya. In Upanishad we have seen, right?
Yes,
Shadalu dhatu, sad dhatu. Sad plus ik, Sadehe. The dhatu can be converted into a pratipadikam for usage, for referring to the dhatu. So you want to refer to the dhatu. When you want to refer to the dhatu, not use a dhatu, that's its kriya padam, that we know. But you want to refer to the dhatu having upa and ni as upasarga, and when we get a quick pratyaya, that's something that a statement is required. Then there, the word dhatu has to be used as a noun. You have to use, because it's a statement, it's a vakyam. So when you want to use it as a noun, you have to convert it into first. The dhatu has to be converted into pratipadikam. How do you do it? By adding ikar sthit pratyaya. You can convert a dhatu nirdeshe, dhatu nirdeshatam, ik or sthit pratyaya can be added. That is not a sutram. Okay, dhatu nirdesha is not a sutram. So ik or sthit pratyaya can be added to a dhatu to denote the dhatu, to get the pratipadikam of the dhatu, and the because it's pratipadikam, therefore decline. So sadehe dhatoho, to the sad dhatu, pip pratyaya is added, and the dhatu having upa ni upasarga, the word Upanishad is derived. Like that we have seen. Similarly here also, vrajege is vraj dhatu plus ik pratyaya. Vraji you get. Shashti vibhakti of vraj is vrajehe. Shashti vibhakti of vraji is vrajehe. So vrajehe dhatoho pari upasargika vrajehe dhatoho pip pratyaya yojagitva kimbhavati. When you add kip pratyaya to the vraj dhatu, pari upasargika or upapada vraj dhatoho kip pratyaya bhavati chet kimbhavati. Vraj dhatoho jakarasya shakaradesha bhavati. Also dirghascha bhavati. That is important. That Lagu Siddhanta Kaumadikara adds. Therefore, pari plus vraj plus pip is equal to you get pari Vrash. You can see the screen. Pari plus vraj plus quip. Pari plus vraj plus quip. What happens? Quip pratyaya when you add, you get a, what do you get? Adding quip pratyaya, you get a pratipadikam, right? Quip is a quip pratyaya. Quip samasascha pratipadikam. Dirghascha api bhavati. That Laghu Siddhanta Kaumadikara says in the Vartikam it is not there. Vartikam just says paro vrajehe shaka padante eva. That's all it says. Dirghascha bhavati, that Laghu Siddhanta Kaumadikara says, therefore parivraj you get. Now parivraj. Now there's jakara at the end of the padam are followed by a jal. What will happen to jakara? Can you apply chogo kuhu? No, don't apply chogo kuhu. You replace it by shakara. That is what this Vartika says. Padante vidyamanasya vraj dhatoho jakarasya shakaraha adeshavati. Padante or jali pare. Jali also you can bring as anuvrutti. Sorry, not jali, because here the Vartika says padante only, therefore take only padante, not jali. Okay. So parivraj plus supratyaya, when you add, supratyaya is being apratyaya ekal pratyaya goes away, therefore you get parivraj. Now parivraj is a padam. So padante vidyamanasya jakarasya. Jakara belong to vraj dhatu. Tasya sthane muddhani shakara adesha bhavati. Therefore parivrash. And after that you apply Vilam Jaswanti, etc. You get parivrad, or karicha you have to apply parivrad. So paravamsa, parivrajaka, all those things come from this dhatu, this only, vraj dhatu only. Okay, this is by the Vartika. And here you have written here, ikshtipo dhatu nirdesha, you can note, vraj plus ik become vraji. Vraji is a pratipadikam, vrajehe, shashti vibhakti. Vrajehe kupratyah yojayitva pari upapade परिव्राज इति रूपं सिद्ध्यति तस्य अन्त्य वर्णस्य जकारस्य स्थाने कुत्वा आदेश न भवति षत्वा आदेश भवति तदेव वार्तिककारः अत्र वदति Is it clear?
Yes, yeah.
So this vartikam to be noted, important vartikam, because the word parivraj we use. In fact, the word, the shabda itself we derived. In Subanta, Jakarantaha, Parivraj, Shabdaha, Parivrad, Parivrajau, Paribrajaha, Parivrajam, Parivrajau, Parivrajaha, then Parivraja,
Parivradbhyam.
Parivradbhyam,
Parivradbhi.
Parivraje, Parivradbhyam, Parivradyaha, Parivrajaha, Parivrajoho. Like that we have declined. So you can note. And Saptami would be
Parivraji.
Parivraji, Parivrajoho, then
Parivratsu.
Parivrad plus Su, you get
Parivratsu.
just typing Saptami, Parivraj plus Su.
Can't say G, the screen.
Screen you're not seeing.
No.
Oh, then what is that I'm explaining? Okay.
Before you have changed that to the Rashtra.
Okay.
No,
Yeah, this is what this you have seen, right?
yeah, that we saw. Yeah.
So yes, this one is 1-1. Now Saptami Vibhakti Ekava Bhagavachana. That's Su. What will be the form? Parivraj plus Su.
Parivratsu.
So because the Su is there, the Anga will take a Sanya. Anga will take a Sanya. What Sanya? Angasya. Ka Sanya Bhavati. Huh? Simple. Angasya ka Sanya. प्रातिपदिक संज्ञा अस्ति किल अन्य संज्ञा अपि asti padasanya, right? So,
Yeah, padam.
so
Yeah.
adeshu asavnamastane
Yes,
padam.
yes. Seventh. Yeah, padam.
Because it is padam, therefore shaha padante you can apply. Padante vartamanasya jakarasya vrajdatho jakarasya sthane kim adesha bhavati? Kim adesha bhavati? Now here. Shakaraha parivraj plus su. Now parivraj plus su, what will happen? After that,
Then dakara.
how does dakara comes?
Shakara. Just
Kalam
one.
kashamte.
Yeah, just one.
Then after that,
Parivrat. That is choboko. Achayam. Chatu.
that pari
Vrat. Dakara.
su, right? Karicha will apply. Or optionally one more is there. Dasit dut. Remember?
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Dasit dut. What is dasit dut says? Daha si dut adesha bhavati. Dut adesha. Dakaraha dut. Remember?
Yes, yeah.
Dasit dut adesha. Therefore, here what will happen?
Dakara will come. Dakara.
Dut
Parivrat.
agama.
Duttagama will come. That's optionally. Optionally Duttagama. Therefore, Daha and this, what will happen? Karicha will apply, right? So Dakara will become Takara, and Dakara and Sakara, there also Karicha will apply. This will become Takara. Therefore, Parivrad plus Su is there. So first you apply here Parivrad Su. And here, after the Karicha will apply Parivrad Su. Right?
Yes, yeah.
Yes, Ji.
We have seen this Dasit Dut.
Yes.
This will apply. Is it clear?
Yes, yeah.
Now, if it is clear, then I will ask question. So, let me take this part alone. Okay. The Parivrat Su alone I am doing here. Parivrat plus Su, the second optional form. That I am doing it here. If it comes, Parivrat plus Su, Daha Si Dut will apply. Let me take it as Parivrat plus Su. Daha Si Dut. That says Parivrad Daha Si Dut. Daha is Panchami. I'm referring to the Sutra as though we know. We know the
Yeah.
Sutra.
Yes.
Daha Si Dut. Dasi Dut. Ubhaya Nirdeshte Panchami Baliyan. Therefore, Dut Agama will come for Su. Okay. Dut Agama, that is Dakara is the Agama, will come for Su. Dut Agama comes. First, you have to remember Dasi Dut. I'm not sure whether you remember Dasi Dut.
Yes, yeah.
Sutra says Daha Si Dut. This is a sutra. Okay.
Yeah.
The sutram Daha is Panchami, Si is Saptami, Ubhay Nirdeshte Panchami Baliyan. Therefore, where is Shashti Bhakti? Duttagama is Agama will come only for the Shashti Bhakti, right?
Mm-hmm.
Agama will become an integral part of the Sthani. So now where is Sthani? Sthani should be Shashti Bhakti. Daha is in Panchami, Si is Saptami. So Ubhay Nirdeshte Panchami Baliyan. Panchami is stronger. So Panchami will remain as it is, and this Saptami will
Saptami is
be
considered as
Shashtivat Bhavati, therefore Duttagama will come for C. C means Sakara follows what Dakara. And the condition is here. Dakara is followed by Sakara. Therefore Sakara will get Duttagama. The Duttagama, the content of Dut is Dakara. Therefore, Parivrad plus Su. Now, Dakara is Jal letter. Jal followed by Kar. Jalam Kari Kimbhavati. Jalam Kari.
Dakara.
Chartva bhavati. Jalam kari char. And here also this is also jal. Jalam kari. Jalam kari char.
Yeah.
Right? Now,
Akara then that Parivirat plus.
for pari, vrat, su. This is the form we get. Right?
Mm.
Now, the question is, Parivrad and Dasidut is up. Dasidut number is, I think, 8320.
29.
29. So it is in third chapter. Okay.
Mm.
The question now is, Dakara is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Dakara is Tavarga letter. Dakara is Tavarga letter. Why don't you do Shtupta Sandhi? If you do Shtupta Sandhi, then Dakara, what will
Nishedam.
happen? Very good. What is the Nishedam?
La padanto toranam.
Very good. Padantat Tavargasya. Padanta, na Padantat Toho. Padantat Tavarga will not undergo, will not been followed by Padanta Tavarga followed by this Stu. The Stu will not undergo Stutvam. That is Nisheda. That is therefore only you go to Karicha. Otherwise, Dakara is there. What will happen? Stutta Sandhi will happen. Very good. I am appreciate. Remember, I'm happy that you remember Sandhi. Basic rules. Very important. Good. So therefore, Paribrat, Su. Dasidut Tandal we have seen. Okay.
Yeah, we have seen.
Yes.
All this should able to make you recollect. In fact, we are doing second round. We are doing the whole thing again. It is if first time if you miss, second time you have to pick up. Still we are in revision. Okay. Still we have to go to a long way. Many sutras are there. After that, we started Subanta. We have went halfway, then we came here. Okay. So please remember whatever we have seen so far. It doesn't matter. We spend time in revising this, but you need to remember so that we can continue the topic. Okay. Any doubt in this?
No, ji.
Parvati ji, understand?
Okay, sir. No doubt.
So now Sandhi would have been clear. He's asked me Sandhi long back, I remember.
Yes.
The Sandhi rules. So that's the second Avritti, second time division. Okay, I think we can stop here. Then Ekacho Basho Bash. You, as you did in the last time, you know, that you divided among you five sutras. So like that, you can divide and then try to remember.
Yeah.
So far, whatever we have seen, 80 sutras. 80 sutras must be clear to you, right?
Yes, yes.
Any doubt in this 80 sutras? Please go through again from the very beginning. Whether you remember all the sutras with Anuvritti. The sutra independently cannot make any sense. You have to bring the words as Anuvritti in the previous sutra and Adhikaram also. Then only it is will make meaningful. So please go through the sutra again and again. You have to go through. One time is not enough. Again and again, you have to go through the sutra. Then only you will be able to retain it. Okay, so we'll stop here. 81, we will see. I think the division will go for some more class. Let it go. It's okay. So we'll stop here. Any doubt in this?
No, ji.
No, sir.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ವಿಜಯ್.
So can we have test up to 80 sutras? Next class.
No, sir. Right.
Huh?
We can have the, yeah.
80 sutras. You can have test. I'll ask you the meaning. What does it mean with Anuvritti, Sandhi? Tell. Only 80 sutras. In fact, the second time we have done. So you should be able to do it.
Yes.
Okay. We'll see in the next class. Please work on this. Huh?
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಜಿ.
Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.